Hi everyone, this video is meant to introduce our app, the King's Gambit, which is a chess trainer that can be run on Windows machines. So let us begin by first opening the app. So as you open the app, you'll be led to a main menu. Let me just lower the volume so that you can hear me. Yes, so in our settings, we can adjust the volume and you can toggle the full screen mode. So by default, the app should run in full screen, but I've now set it to be on windowed. Okay, let me jump straight into the play mode. So when you first enter, a user manual showing you how to play will appear. And in this game mode, users can test out their knowledge and practice their opening moves with a friend or a tutor. So as you can see, the selectable grids for each piece comes out when the user clicks on it, and pieces that can be eliminated also show up in red. The mode also comes out with error messages when users try to make erroneous moves. And the current user's turn is also displayed on the top right corner. Yes, so let's pause and head back to the main menu. Next up will be the main feature of our app, which is the trainer mode. So this mode provides the room to learn and improve one's knowledge on the most important part of a chess game, the opening. These are considered to be the foundation of the game. To be a great chess player, one's foundation needs to be strong, and this mode is here to help you gain that ability. We have picked 6 special openings which are widely used in beginner and intermediate levels, just for you. With these openings learned, you can safely call yourself a good chess player. The openings are the Queen's Gambit, London System, Italian Game, Sicilian Defense, King's Indian Defense, and Roy Lopez. Now I will go through one of the openings to show you how the beauty of this mode works. So as you can see, there are descriptions and the correlating chess movements shown for each step. And users can go back or go forward to suit their pace of learning. Having these descriptions and the corresponding movements also prevent users from just learning information blindly, and to be able to follow each step closely as well. For each opening, there are also variations, and just like a tree with its branches, the greater the understanding in a variation, the greater your chance to be unbeatable when it comes to that opening. In each variation, we give a small explanation of what it is and showcase the various movements that can be executed. So lastly, we have our guess mode. In this mode, users can take 2 different quizzes to test their understanding from the trainer mode. In notations, the users are tested on basic chess notations, and in moves, the users are tested on the various opening moves itself. So I'm going to show you how the notations mode work first. So over here we have a user manual that first comes out that shows the common chess notations, and yeah, when users enter, you are quizzed or you are asked to identify the notation of the highlighted chess piece. In this case, this pawn is highlighted, and the correct answer for this will be D4. So when I enter, it will show correct. And if you ever need to look at the notations again, you can always click at the user manual again and you'll appear. Yeah, and there are 10 levels for this game mode and 3 attempts to complete the level. So if you get an answer wrong 3 times, the game will be over, and you can either try again or go back to the main menu. Yeah, and for the moves guess mode, the idea is the same. You also have 3 attempts and there are 5 levels to get it all right. So yeah, Let's try to get it all right. And yes, so if you win the game mode, a winning message will come out. Yeah, and you can head back to the main menu. So yeah, this is pretty much all of our features for the game. You can exit the game by clicking on the exit button or pausing in one of the game modes and clicking quit. And by clicking the credits button, yeah, everyone who has contributed to our project will kind of appear. Yeah, I guess that is all for our walkthrough of our app.